Male-female differences. In male, general appearance is larger, heavier, and more massive. But in female, it is smaller, lighter, and less massive. Architect rugged in males, smooth in females. Walls thicker in males, thinner in females. Surface rough in males, smooth in females. Muscular ridges more marked. Muscular ridges are more marked, especially at the base and occipital and temporal areas, but less marked in females. Capacity is 1500 to 1550 in milliliter in males, 1350 to 1400 in milliliter in females. Frontal head steeper, less rounded, but in females it is vertical, fuller, and rounded. This one. Okay. This one. This is more in males. This forehead is deeper, less rounded, but in forehead in females it is vertical, fuller, and rounded. ബേസിക്കലി ഫീമെയിലിന് വെർട്ടിക്കലായിട്ടാണ്, മെയിൽസിന് കണ്ടിന്യൂസ് ആയിട്ടാണ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഈസ് ഗ്ലബല്ല. ഗ്ലബല്ല ഈസ് മോർ പ്രോമിനൻ്റ് ഇൻ മെയിൽ, സ്മോൾ ഓർ ആബ്സെൻ്റ് ഇൻ ഫീമെയിൽസ്. ഫ്രോണ്ടോ നേസൽ ജംഗ്ഷൻ ഇറ്റ് ഡിസ്റ്റിങ്ക്റ്റ് ആംഗുലേഷൻ ഇൻ മെയിൽസ്. ദർ ഈസ് സ്മൂത്ത് കർവ് ഇൻ females. Orbit size relatively smaller, shape square, position set lower on face, margins are rounded. But in females it is size relatively larger, shape rounded, മറ്റേത് സ്ക്വയർ ആണെങ്കിൽ ഇത് റൗണ്ടഡ്, പൊസിഷൻ സെറ്റ് ഹയർ ഓൺ ഫേസ്, മാർജിൻസ് ഷാർപ്പ്. Next is supraorbital ridge is prominent in males, less prominent in females. Zygomatic arch. Zygomatic arch heavier and more prominent, laterally arched in males, lighter and less prominent in females. Lateral arching less more compressed. Next is nasal aperture. Heavier and narrower in males, lower and border in females. Bony ridge along the upper border of external auditory meatus, more prominent in males. This one. This bony ridges along the upper border of external auditory meatus more prominent in males, less prominent or absent in females. Next is frontal eminence. Frontal eminence is small in males but larger in females. Parietal eminence is also more in parietal eminence is this one. This is more in females. So females frontal eminence and parietal eminence is more. Frontal sinuses are more developed. In males, less developed in females. Maxillary sinuses significantly larger in males, smaller in females. Maxillary sinuses. Okay. Then occipital protuberance, that is more prominent in very prominent in male, less prominent in females. Mustard process size large, tip blunt and M type, but in females it is small, tip rounded F type. Digastric groove, digastric groove. Deeper in males, shallower in females. Occipital condyle is larger in males, smaller in females. Palate large, broader, U-shaped in males, smaller, narrower, parabolic in females. Foramen larger in males, narrower in females. Foramen magnum is larger and oblong in males, smaller and rounder in females. Teeth larger in males, teeth smaller in females. Thank you.